Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can rename songs in Samsung Music on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen, and then swipe up to go into app screen, and in here you want to open up Samsung Music. In Samsung Music, tap on the tab at the top, either in playlist, tracks or albums or by artists or folders, and basically you need to open up a song. So let's say I'm going to go into tracks and I want to change these songs right here. So what you do is you tap on this option button right next to the song and tap on track details, and then you tap on the edit button at the top, and here you can change the name of the songs. So you can see I have removed the underscore, and let's put in the word hello, and you can change the artist name, album artist, genre, recording date, track number, disc number. So you can add in those kind of details and encoding, and then tap on saved, and then now you can see the details has been updated. If we go back, you can see the song's name has now changed, and that's it. That's all you have to do to change the song name in Samsung Music. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.